Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode, we're going to take a look at Heineken Witpils, the brand new beer from Heineken, really famous brewery, am I right? So what is it? It has the fresh taste of a Pilsner with the rich character of a wheat beer. So that's interesting. So it's wheat and pils combined with pills. Well, seems good, seems delicious. Gonna try it out. Let's check out what's inside. And well, it's basically your classic beer recipe, but there's also a lemon peel, which is pretty interesting. Wonder if you can taste that. It looks pretty cool. It's a typical Heineken green bottle. Let's find out how the beer looks. Of course, we use this cool classic Heineken glass. Could have had a little bit more foam, but hey, it's on the video, so can't change it now. I'm gonna try it. It looks like a little bit of a darker beer than regular Heineken, I think. Well, kind of looks like a wheat beer. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna report to you guys how it tastes. Well, as you can see, tried it, and to be honest, this is a really good beer, especially for Heineken, which is not my favorite. It really has that wheat flavor. It has that, well, a little bit of that lemon flavor, I guess, which is added. But also a little bit of a banana feel. And that's, well, the tropical surprise in this beer. Well, that's a thing that happens a lot with wheat beers. And it's not a bad thing. So Heineken actually made a really good product. I think it drinks smooth, but it has a great taste of a wheat beer. I think they really found their market. And I think it's going to be a success. So ranking it, this is going to be, well, I wouldn't drink it every day, but I would drink it every week. So I'm going to go with, well, 4 out of 5 stars. Heineken, great product. Shout out to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Cheers. And check you later.